John, you've instructed me to keep the rod tip low. Why is that?
There's two different ways you can fish this. So over and above your mend, when you're presenting the fly down into the pool on a little bit slacker line and a slower presentation, when your rod tip is high, that's great when you're in like a lot of boulders and stuff like that. But when you've got a nice trough like this down the center of the river, I want you to get that fly nice and deep, and down to the bottom. That's where the fish are. They're going to be within that bottom foot.
Right.
Of river. So when you're going forward, your rod tip is fairly high. So after you make your mend, your rod's fairly high. And then as you follow it through, you just slowly lower your rod down into the water, and that keeps your fly down nice and deep.
So what you're telling me is the fish are laying near the bottom. They're not up?
Near the bottom,
yeah,
but not on the bottom. You've never seen a steelhead with scars on the underside
no,
of the fish?
No, but they stay low to the bottom.
Yeah, so they're not right on the bottom, they're just above it. So basically, as long as your fly is in that bottom foot and a half of water, you're presenting it right to the fish.
Right. And presentation is the name of the game.
Exactly. As long as you do all the right things, Bill, the right mend, the right presentation, the speed of the fly is important, and the height of your rod is important. As long as you do all of the right things, you're going to catch fish.
Fish on.
There you go. Nice.
Oh, he's still there, yeah.
Beautiful.
What a leap, what a leap. You called it, John. You said right in the bottom of the pool.
Beautiful.
Oh my, oh
nice.
my.
Rod to the right, Bill. Pull your rod to the right. That's it. Always make them fight against your rod. Okay, I'm going to take you over towards the grass in the bank here so I can get out of the boat and land him.
Okay.
Okay, you just do your thing and let him do his thing.
Just keep a tight line on him. Walk him like a dog.
Yeah, just let him
jump
run,
again.
Though.
Yeah.
Beautiful jump, beautiful.
One more time. That's probably one of the best fighting steelheads I've had.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Great.
That's spectacular.
He's a little upset.
What a great day, Bill.
Yeah. This is good fish. This guy's still pretty green.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He might even jump again.
Bill, this is why we fly fish, for the fight of the fish, right?
Yeah.
So enjoy every second of it.
You got it. Outstanding fish. Great big leaps. The fall fish are completely different than the spring fish. Spring fish bulldog a lot, they might get one jump. I've got 3 good high leaps out of this fish, and that's just...
And then it's also the speed that the fish runs.
Oh, the fish is a lot faster at this time of year.
Yeah, they fight a lot harder, a lot faster. The other thing, Bill, that you might want to note, there's the connection of your sink tip to your fly line. You know, if the fish is still very hot, don't bring that into your rod tip.
Okay.
Okay? Don't bring it into the rod tip until you think we're pretty well ready to land this fish. So, okay, pick up on him.
I'm trying to get his head up, John. Good man, yeah.
He's in the net.
Wow.
Way to go,
wow.
Bill. Look at that.
Oh, that's a good fish. That's an awesome fish. Awesome fish.
Way to go, man.
Yeah.
There you go, Bill.
Look at that, folks.
Isn't that beautiful?
Fall steelheading like you wouldn't believe.
That's a beautiful fish.
Just a beautiful fish. Has the hook out? Yeah.
Back of the net for me, please.
You got the hook out?
Okay, Billy. We'll get him back in.
Yep.